everybody, I'm Yuri. This is New Year's Eve and less than 5 more minutes the New Year's coming, and I would like to show you how is Japanese New Year's and New Year's food. And my mom is getting ready. Today she was in the kitchen, which is here, all day and cooking all those Japanese traditional food, and it is kind of a mess right now. She's gonna get ready next morning, decorating stuff, but it's kind of a mess. In the kitchen table, lots of stuff on it, so I'm gonna just show you just a little bit tonight. Then tomorrow we're gonna have traditional Japanese New Year's Day, which is my family way. So I will show you some Japanese food. And also after this, I am thinking to going to shrine near my parents' house by myself. And I think they have sweet sake and some food, I am not sure, but because I haven't been there for a long time. But I just gonna show you how is Japanese people doing at the New Year's time when they turn. It just to turn to the New Year's. 明けましておめでとうございます。Happy New Year! Hi, I am outside and I am going to go to shrine near my parents' house, walking distance. So I just gonna go and pray for New Year's wish. I just saw the Shibuya station in Tokyo. They have so many people and doing countdown. So in the more populated area, they have more younger people. So that is a big difference than suburb. Do you hear the sounds, the gongs, and some drum sound? The gong called Joya no Kane, and that started last night, which is before turn of New Year's. They start doing it, and usually the gong is 108 count. That's how the Buddhism believes that's the bad have 108. I think they have sweet sake and everybody drinking, so I am going to there and get one. And that was there. Alright, I got the sweet sake and Happy New Year! Cheers! People bringing over the last year's fortune, look like fortune, stuff that they usually buy at the shrine or the temples, and put it here and burn it. And I just pray and I finished about here, so I'm going back home, and I found that next to sweet sake they are selling soba, noodles, and it's only $1. This is, I think, non-profit. It's not really an organization, but this area or maybe the temple or the community doing this, so it's pretty cheap and looks good.